Hello students, welcome back to online class. I hope you all had done the holiday homework which I had given you. So today we will revise the exercise 2A. Few of the students told that concepts are not clear. So today we will not start new exercise, we will revise exercise 2A. So first question of this exercise is express the following as mixed fraction. We have to change in mixed fraction. So first part is 37 upon 12. First of all, you have to divide these numbers. 37 you have to divide with 12. 12 3 ja 36. Now on subtracting we will get 1. So now we can write the answer. This number we have to write in the whole. Remainder we have to write upside, and in the denominator we have to write same number which is given in the question. In the denominator 12 is there. So we will write it as 3 whole 1 upon 12. Now see second part. Second part is 115 upon 18. So we will divide these numbers. With 18 we have to divide 150. So 18 table. 18 6 ja 108. On subtracting it we will get 7. So now we have to write in mixed fraction. So what we have to do? This 6 we have to write in whole. Remainder we have to write upside. And in the upon 18 is there. So we have to write upon 18. So this is your final answer. So like this you have to do such questions. Now come to second question. Express the following as improper fraction. Here mixed fraction is given. We have to change it improper. So first of all what you have to do? In the denominator you have to write 12 only. In the numerator what you have to write? 12 multiplied with 3. This 7 we have to add. So 12 3 ja 36 plus 7 upon 12. Now we will add these two. 43 upon 12 is the answer. Now see one more part. Second part. 9 whole 11 upon 43. So what we have to do? First of all we will multiply these two. In the denominator you have to write same number as we had written here. 12 is there, so we had written 12. Now 43 is there, so we will write here 43. Now this 43 multiplied with 9. Then this 11 we have to add. Now 43 into 9. 387 plus 11 upon 43. Now we will add these two. Answer will be 398 upon 43. Numerator is greater and denominator is smaller. So this fraction is improper fraction. So this is your final answer. So like this you have to do all the remaining part of this question number second. Now question number third. Fill in the blanks. We have to fill here the answer. So what you have to do here in this question? Denominator we know on both sides. Numerator we don't know here. But here denominator on left side also given and on right side also it is given. So what you have to do? This 4 upon 9 you have to write as it is. This 9 is becoming 36. So 9 we have to multiply it with 4. 9 4 ja 36. So what you have to do? Here you have to multiply with 4. Then only here we will get 9 4 ja 36. So in the denominator we are multiplying with 4. So in the numerator also you have to multiply with 4. Same number we will multiply. As we had multiplied here with 4, here also we will multiply with 4. 4 4 ja 16. That means here you have to fill 16. Now fourth part. In fourth part, first of all we will change in mixed fraction. This mixed fraction we will change in improper. 219 upon dash will be as it is. We will change this mixed fraction into improper. 35 to ja 70. 70 plus 3 will be 73 upon 35. Now you have to check whether numerator we know on both the side or denominator. Numerator we know. This is the numerator. On left side also we know and on right side also we know. Denominator we don't know. So what we have to do? With the help of 73 we have to make 219. So 73 multiplied with 3 if we will do. So answer will be 219. So what you have to do? This 73 you have to multiply it with 3. Then here we will get 219. In the same way we have to multiply 35 also with 3. So 35 into 3 we will do, answer will be 105. So here we will get 105. That means here you have to fill 105. So like this you have to do all the remaining part of question number 3. Now come to question number 4. Fourth question is write in simplest form. So in simplest form what you have to do? You have to cancel these two numbers with the same table. As these two numbers are coming in a table of 2, I will cancel these with 2. 2 7 ja 14, 2 2 ja 4. See, in the same way this one also we will divide by 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 6 ja 12, 2 8 ja 16. Again we will cancel these two numbers with the table of 2. 2 3 ja 6, 2 6 ja 12, 2 8 ja 16, 2 4 ja. Again this number will get cancelled. We can cancel it with larger table also, larger number also. We can cancel these two if it is possible to divide these two numbers. So with the table of 12, these two will get cancelled. 12 3 ja 36, 12 7 ja 84. Now these two numbers will not get cancelled. So final answer is 3/7. Now see next part. These two numbers we will cancel with the table of 5. 5 3 ja 15 and 0. 5 1 ja 5. 2 is not divisible by 5, so we will take these two numbers together. So we have to take 0. 5 5 ja 25. Now again with the table of 5. 5 6 ja 30. 5 2 ja 10. 5 1 ja 5. Now with the table of 3. 3 7 ja 21. 3 7 ja 21 and 3 2 ja 6. So answer is 2/7. So like this you have to do all the remaining part of question number 4. Now come to question number 4. Write in descending order. Descending is greater to smaller. First of all we have to write greater number. So here first of all you have to check denominators. All the denominators are different. So we will not be able to identify which one is greater and which one is smaller. So first of all we have to take the LCM of 2, 8 and 12. 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8, 2 6 ja 12. Again with the table of 2, 1 as it is, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6. Now with the table of 2, 1 as it is, 2 1 ja 2 and 3. Now with the table of 3, 1 as it is, 1 as it is, 3 1 ja 3. So LCM we got 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. 3 2 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, 12 2 ja 24. Now next step. Here upon we will put, and under this upon we have to write 24. 2 12 ja 24. 12 into 1 is 12, comma 8 3 ja 24. 3 into 7 21. 12 2 ja 24. 2 into 11 is 22. Now you have to write these numbers separately. 12 upon 24, comma 21 upon 24, comma 22 upon 24. Now we will put heading in descending order. In descending order. In descending order, what you have to do? First of all, you have to write greater number. Which one is greater here? 22. Then this is greater, so you have to put open sign. 21 upon 24. Then 12 upon 24. Now we have to put the values which are given in the question. This is 22. 22 is third number. Third is 11 upon 12. 21 is second number. Second is 7 upon 8. 12. 12 is first number. First is 1 upon 2. So this is your final answer. So like this you have to do all the remaining parts. Now see question number 6. Write in ascending order. Ascending is smaller to larger. So first of all we have to find the LCM as we had done in previous question. LCM of 16, 12, 32 and 36. 2 8 ja 16, 2 6 ja 12, 2 1 ja 2, 2 6 ja 12, 2 18 ja, 2 4 ja 8, 2 3 ja 6, 2 8 ja 2 9 ja, 2 2 ja 4, 3, 2 4 ja 8, 9, 2 1 ja 3, 2 2 ja 4, 9, 2 1 3 2 1 ja 2 9. Now with 3 3 1 ja 3 3 3 ja 9. Again with 3 3 1 ja 3. Now LCM 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 2 into 3 into 3. Now we will multiply these number. 2 2 ja 4 4 2 ja 8 8 2 ja 16 16 2 ja 32 3 3 ja 9. Now 32 into 9 288. Now we will put one upon. Under this upon we have to write 288. Now 16 table we have to read. 16 table we have to check 288. How many times this will come? You can take help of these numbers. 2 2 ja 4 4 2 ja 8 8 2 ja 16. Till here 16 is coming. 3 3 ja 9 9 2 ja 18. So 18 is remaining. That means 16 18 ja 288. 18 into 7 we will do. Answer will be 126. Now 12 table we have to read and we have to check 288. Here we will take help. 2 2 ja 4 4 2 ja 8 12 we have to make. So in order to make 12 you take these numbers. 3 2 ja 6 6 2 ja 12. 12 is over. Now remaining numbers 2 2 ja 4 4 2 ja 8 8 3 ja 24. If you are facing any difficulty in this method, then you can divide it with the 12. We have to divide 288. Like this also you can do. 12 2 ja 24. On subtracting 4 48. 12 4 ja 48. So answer is 24. This 24 you have to multiply it with 5. Answer is 120. Now 32. With the table of 32 we have to check 288. 32 9 ja, if we will do 9 2 ja 18 9 3 ja 27 and 128. So 32 9 ja 288. That 9 into 17 if we will do, answer will be 153. So here we have to write 153. Now 36 table we have to check 288. So 36 8 ja 8 6 ja 48 8 3 ja 24 24 plus 4 will be 28. So 36 8 ja 288. 8 ja, that 8 multiplied with 23, answer is 184. Now what you have to do, we will write these numbers separately. 126 upon 288, 120 upon 288, 153 upon 288, 184 upon 288. Now next step, we will put heading ascending order. Ascending order means smaller to larger. So which one is smaller here? 120 is the smallest number. 120 upon 288. This is the smallest, so we have to put close sign. Then 126 upon 288. Then after that 153 upon 288, and at last 184 upon 288. Now we have to put the values which are given in the question. 120 is coming on second place. Second place is 5 upon 12. 126 is first number. First is 7 upon 16. 153 is third number. Third is 17 upon 32. 184 is the last. Last is 23 upon 36. So this is your final answer. So like this you have to do all the questions. So your homework is you have to complete this 2A exercise. In the next video I will explain you new exercise, next one, that is 2B.